I'm going to make a stash video just because everyone else is. This is a little closet I got. We got some Hestia Sky cruisers from like Poland or something. We got Super Cobra 6 from France. Some Spanish crackers from France. Some other crackers from France. The DJF Thunder crackers. P-Tards extra large. Some Biggs candles. Aerial attacks. They don't make those, really hard to get. They don't make these anymore either. Those are hard to get. We have some super fountain crackers. Those are very nice. Some double lantern salutes, some M80 stuffs. We got also some more crackers right there. And got a rocket right there. Some more play around stuff. And let me go in the back, show you guys what we got back here. Oh, actually, I forgot to show you this. That's a 3-inch salute. They're nice. Alright, back to the back. I got 4-inch mortar racks right here. Alright, one second. Let me turn the light on. Okay. Quarter sticks. More quarter sticks. Yeah, this is a Thunder King, guys. A real Thunder King. Okay, that's what they look like. That's what they look like. Yeah, we got, stuff all the way to the back. We got a case of Super Bad back there. We got some Electric Dreams, Never My Loves. A lot of good stuff. Nice Sunburn, Smoking Aces. 100-shot Beehive. They don't make these anymore. 100-shot Salute Cake. Can't find those. We got some Salute shells. We don't want to drop those. Nice Salute shells. Dozens. Okay, they come in dozens. Let me put those back here. You know what I mean? Alright. We have a 1.3 70-shot perfect weapon right here. These are some racks and tubes. Again, assorted mines. Some of that stuff. Stone Cold from Big, Little Easy. What do we got over here? I rip labels off just in case, you never know. We got 13-shot Mean Green. We got 2 of those. We got a bunch of little 200 grams back there. Aquarians, Midsummer Dreams. Black labels, they don't make those no more. We got Coconut Tree. We got Crackling Crescendo. We got 10,000 degree sunburn. We got a case of Imagination. One case, which is a 1-piece Homeland Waltz. Case of All Night Long by Cutting Edge. We got a pair of Exploding Galaxies. One piece All Night Long. And Blonde Bombshells. Alright. Back here, we got the Chronic. We got a case of Monster, 36-shot. Case of Evil's War again. And 25-shot Thunder Kings underneath there. Apocalypse Now. 4-inch sorted shells. And here. More 3-inch salutes. Right here. More 4-inch shells back there. Case of Pro 3-inch from last year, which is the best year they made them. And that's my stash so far, guys. And there's a couple things I ain't showing, but that's how we do it around here. Alright?